Have you ever created a Power BI report that feels slow when you click slicer or open page? Today I will show you how to find exactly which visual is slowing down your report using Performance Analyzer step by step in a very simple language. First, I load my Excel file into Power BI. Before loading, I go to transform data and make sure my data columns have the correct data type. This is important because wrong data types can slow down calculated later. After loading the data, I go to table view and check my tables. Here I make sure that my fact tables contains only numbers like sales amount and quantity, and my dimension tables contain only descriptive information like date, product and customer. This step is very important because unwanted columns increase memory usage and slow down Power BI. Next, I will go to model view to build relationships. I connect my dim date table to order date and ship date in the fact table. This creates a clean structure where Power BI understands how tables are related. A proper data model helps Power BI work faster and more efficiently. Now I create a measures to calculate total sales using DAX. I use a measures instead of calculated column because measures are calculated only when needed, which is much better for performance. After that, I create some visuals like tables, charts, and slicer to build my report. At this stage, everything looks fine, but we still don't know which visuals is slow. Now come to the most important part. I go to the view tab and click in performance analyzer. I click start recording and then I start interacting with my slicer and visuals. Power BI now records how much time each visual takes to load. As you can see, Power BI shows the loading time for each visual. Here my table visual is taking much longer than other visuals, and that's why my report feels slow. This means even one slow visual can make the entire report feel sluggish. Tables usually take more time because they display many rows and columns. Charts summarize data, but tables try to show everything, which cost performance. To improve performance, I follow these simple rules. Remove unused columns. First, I remove columns that I don't use in my report. Do this in Power Query because fewer columns means less memory usage. Rule 2. Prefer measures. Second, I always use measures instead of calculated columns. Measures are faster and don't increase model size. Rule 3. Reduce visuals. Third, I avoid placing too many visuals on one page. Ideally, I keep 6 to 8 visuals per page for better performance. Rule number 4. Use star schema. Finally, I use a star schema where the fact tables is in the center and dimension table are around it. This structure is simple and very fast for Power BI. So remember this, Power BI performance is not about having a powerful laptop. It's about clean data, a good model and smart visuals. Always use performance analyzer to find problems instead of guessing. If this video helped you understand Power BI performance, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.